Let me say something most husbands don't expect to hear. Your marriage didn't start with romance. It started with a friendship. Before the responsibilities, before the pressure, before the weight. And most marriages don't fall apart because of betrayal. They fall apart when that friendship quietly disappears. You don't hate each other, you just don't enjoy each other anymore. And that loss changes everything. Think back to the beginning. You talked for hours. You laughed easily. You wanted to be together. Now ask yourself, when was the last time you laughed with your wife without tension? When was the last time you shared something without bracing for conflict? Most men don't notice when the friendship starts to disappear. They just feel the distance and can't explain why everything suddenly feels heavier. Listen, when friendship fades, everything else gets heavier. Communication turns fragile, intimacy feels forced, conflict escalates faster than it should, and most men try to fix everything except the one thing holding the marriage together. Scripture never treats marriage as a business arrangement. Genesis 2:18 says it plainly. It is not good that man should be alone. Before leadership, before provision, and before responsibility, God identified aloneness as a threat. Marriage was designed to solve isolation, not just manage life. Before your wife needs anything from you, she needs to know she is safe with you. And friendship is what makes safety possible. When friendship disappears, marriage turns into survival instead of partnership. And no covenant can thrive while it's only trying to survive. Friendship in marriage doesn't disappear from one dramatic moment. It erodes through neglect, through constant seriousness, through unresolved tension that never gets addressed, and through treating your wife like a responsibility instead of a companion you enjoy. Friendship breaks down when you stop being curious about her and start assuming you already know her. When you stop sharing your inner world and only exchange logistics. When you're present physically, but absent emotionally. And when friendship fades, communication feels risky, intimacy feels mechanical, and service feels transactional. Because friendship isn't a bonus in marriage. It is the emotional glue everything else depends on. There was a season in my marriage where everything worked, but nothing felt alive. We handled responsibilities. We managed life well, but we weren't enjoying each other. And that's when it became clear. I was leading responsibly, but I had stopped being her friend. Not out of anger, not out of distance, out of complacency. And that quiet loss changed how everything felt in our home. When friendship returns, the atmosphere changes. Laughter lowers defenses. Shared joy rebuilds safety. Conversation flows without pressure. Your wife doesn't feel managed, she feels chosen. Friendship doesn't replace leadership, it strengthens it, because a wife who feels enjoyed feels safe again. This week, don't fix anything. Instead, reconnect by asking your wife one question. What do you miss doing together? Then do one thing, not to solve a problem, but to enjoy her presence again. No agenda, no lesson, no correction, just friendship. Next week, we talk about legacy, because the marriage you model today becomes the blueprint your children live tomorrow, and neglect doesn't stop with you. Husbands, friendship is not optional, it is foundational. If you want closeness, rebuild connection. If you want trust, restore enjoyment. If you want a strong marriage, be her friend again. If this helped you, stand with this work by subscribing and sharing it with another husband who needs it. Forged in faith, bound by covenant, let's get to work.